Hi guys, I'm Dennis. Welcome to my channel, Guy with a Plant. In today's episode, I'm going to introduce a new mini-series into my channel. It's really exciting for me. This mini-series is basically going to chronicle the life of a plant, of a house plant that is under my care for a period of 1 year. Basically from day 0 all the way to the end of the 1 year point. So there are going to be videos on regular intervals to show the progress and growth of the plant or lack thereof. And also if I'm going to propagate the plant, I will show the updates there as well. Hopefully we'll learn something together about that plant throughout the 1 year period. Videos are going to be short every time. It's not going to be a long draggy video, just a short video for updating. And these videos will be saved under the playlist Life of a Plant. And you can always access those playlists and go back to the earlier videos to see how much the plant has progressed or not. And having regular updates will perhaps keep you coming back to root for the plant. Do let me know if you enjoy such format, and also your comments and feedback on fine-tuning this way of presenting. I did think of making just one video to compress the whole growth update process, but I think that 1 year is too long, right, to wait just to watch one video and to produce one video. Right, so let's start with the first plant. Okay, let's start with the very first plant on this playlist, and I am totally shooting myself in the foot because I'm starting with a very challenging plant. Or it is a very challenging plant for me because I have no luck keeping this. This is a Dieffenbachia. This is a Dieffenbachia reflector, and this is my 4th attempt. Yeah, you heard it right. I had 3 before. The first 2 died, and the third one is still struggling. It's a very small plant. I'm going to show you a clip. Not doing well. I don't know, maybe this will be the only video you'll see of this plant. I'm really keeping my fingers crossed. Maybe the 4th one is my lucky charm. Oh, I think I have a video that show me unboxing one of the Dieffenbachia reflectors. Yeah, if you want to watch that, you can do so. The main issues I have with this Dieffenbachia is watering. Either is overwatering or underwatering. Their leaves are really sensitive, so if you underwater it or even if you overwater it, the leaves will turn yellow super fast. And the stems will also turn really soft and soggy if you overwater them. So it's really finding the right balance. So that was the issue I had. But I do notice that their leaves are slightly thinner. No, in fact, it's very much thinner than most of the Dieffenbachia that I have. I have another Dieffenbachia Big Band. Those, they have leaves with very regular thickness. And watering is no issue. If you underwater them, they will start to droop, and you water them and they will bounce back easily. No problem at all. But for this, they are not so forgiving. So I got to learn how to water them. Look at this foliage and you know why I keep coming back to them. They have this really beautiful variegation on the leaves. As well as this very luminous fluorescent mid-rib that goes through the center of each leaf. Really gorgeous. So why would you pay so much for an Aglaonema pictum tricolor when I only got this for $12? The Dieffenbachia is from the family of Araceae, so it is an aroid. They are also commonly known as the dumb cane because they are pretty toxic to pets and small children, as they have these oxalate crystals in them that if ingested will cause the throat to be swollen and really painful, and you won't be able to speak hence the name dumb cane. So for tracking purposes, I got this a week ago before I filmed this clip. I'm not sure when the video is going to go up, but it should be sometime in middle of January. So let's put this as January 2022. When I first got this plant, it already had this really big leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there was a new leaf unfurling, and it is still unfurling. Yeah, the leaves are pretty big. I think it ranges from about 25 to 30 cm. It has a height about 40 cm. This is actually potted up in very loose potting medium. Not sure whether you can see. It's basically an aeroid mix with a lot of perlite, cocoa chips, and pumice. So I know this is very well draining. However, it is still in a plastic nursery pot, so I got to be careful not to overwater this. So far I've been watering this only when the top 1 or 1.5 inches of the topsoil is dry, but now it is still pretty moist, so I'm not going to water this anytime soon. That translates to about every week, plus minus. Of course, do not water on a schedule. So that's the end of this first video of life of a plant. I'll keep you guys updated of the growth and the progress of this Dieffenbachia reflector. Within the next 1 month or 2, hopefully you'll still be alive. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.